And that's happened more times than I can tell you, where I don't claim very much conscious mind skills. I'm a jock. I'm an athlete. I'm not a smart person. But this part of me, I have realized is brilliant beyond words. And if I can access this, then good things happen. And so whenever I go into a meditation, I think I need some... I'll toss that question out. What should I do here? And I don't try to make it happen. I don't like, okay, I've got to have it. I just kind of, okay, if there's an idea that comes to me, great. And then I just be about meditating. And then watch what happens. And that, I think, is the coolest side effect, or the coolest, besides all the things it does for balancing, putting the mind-body in balance, the ability to access, to open up gaps where we have access to that more intuitive part of us. That's a game changer all by itself. Any thoughts about that? Questions?
I always say I get my best thoughts when I'm in the shower.
When you're in the shower,
A
huh?
lot of that time is because it proceeds in a workout. So like when I get back from a run and then I go in the shower, I'm just like all these things just come flooding to me.
Why the shower, though? Why not?
Because it's quiet.
Okay, let's explore that for just a second, because there's a few things going on in the shower that don't happen anywhere else that make it so. How many of you say, yeah, I get some really great ideas in the shower? Is it just us two? So there's a few of us. One day I'm going to invent a shower notepad. Because by the time I step out of the shower, I've forgotten it, right? I say, God, I know I thought of something, but I can't remember it. Anyway, when you're in the shower, I think it's a similar something in that when you're out of the shower, your mind's being sucked to all the distractive things. Yes? I mean, how many of you can go a day without your phone? It's not easy for most of us to even have it turned off and put away. Just so it's somewhere near. It's, my phone's nearby. Oh, good. Do you know what? And we're constantly checking, constantly distracted. We're constantly distracted by that. When you get in the shower, there's nothing you can do. So your mind goes, oh, thank you. All I can see is a wall. And as you have the warm water, it's relaxing, and there's a wall. No distractions. It's meditative. It really is meditative. And the only purpose of a mantra is to keep you focused on away from other distractions. That's the only purpose of it. It's not mystical or magical. It's just stay focused on this. And when you're in the shower, it's a wall. And your mind goes, finally, I've got a moment to not be distracted. And when that happens, that's exactly what happens, I think. There may be other things associated with it, but I think that's the main.
So I read something recently that I haven't actually consciously tried, but I do think that it's kind of interesting. When you're in the shower, number one, like, we are more less focused, really.
Yeah,
on everything.
yeah.
And, but you can take your crap that you deal with on a daily basis and metaphorically wash it away, wash it down the drain.
Oh, yeah, that's cute.
So I haven't actually practiced that. I haven't really thought about it, but I do think that it's,
there's all kinds of things. You can stick it in a garbage can and
Right.
burn it up, or put it in a balloon. There's all kinds of ways that you could do that. I say cute in the that's an interesting, different way of playing with your crap
Right.
than what I've heard before. And if that works, I think there's better ways, but it's fun to try to just kind of unload the crap that we have.
Right, so like for me, I only ever used to meditate when I really like set aside time. And
Right.
I think I've been learning more that you don't have to have this huge amount of time. It doesn't have to be this big deal. Like you can just take little intermittent, just like the same as getting, a 10-minute exercise is better than getting no exercise.
Mhm.
So like a 10-minute meditation in the shower, it's just, you can meditate multiple times a day if you're just doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
And just bringing yourself.
Well, and I'll extend it even further that once we understand and truly get mindfulness, this kind of thing can happen every moment of the day. When you're being truly mindful, you can, doesn't matter what you're doing, this kind of stuff can take place. So yeah, I mean, if you say, okay, I've got 10 minutes, or I got 5 minutes, or once you're mindful, which we'll get into really soon, it's this moment I am, and every moment becomes that way.
Yeah, you can have more moments.
Yeah.